4891 Juliet, looking for the VFR Northwest practice area.
Cessna 491 Juliet, runway 17 right, taxi via Alpha Alpha 90 and cross 17 left.
Taxi via Alpha, runway 17, runway 17, taxi via Alpha Alpha 9, cross 17 left, 91 Juliet.
Roger, keep your same squawk up 31.
0431 is in the box, 91 Juliet. I'm going to turn it just a little bit. And we always like correct the yoke based on what direction the winds are coming from so that it doesn't like flip our airplane, you know, so. I love flights like this, man. I love taking new guys up that have never done this before and, you know, might have a small bit of interest in it and stuff like that. It kind of refreshes my memory and my skills and as far as how to fly, and then just gives me the opportunity to, you know, to introduce you to the plane and stuff like that. So.
Oh, man.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh. Man, it's pretty bright. You'll only see me flying with my shades on if it's really, really bright outside, man. I'll almost never fly with shades on, or I'll just never take off with shades. So I'll monitor tower now. And if you can lock your window, just pull it in and then push the handle forward. You go. Your door is locked. Cool. My door is locked. I'll lock my window now, and then I'll do the. Well, it seems like you're comfortable enough, so I'll let you. Don't pull on the controls. Just hold on to it. So if I turn it, like you turn it with me, you know, and I'm gonna pull back, and then you know, you can just hold on to the controls.
Okay.
All right. Poly Post Tower, Sky 4891 Juliet, 17 right at Alpha 9er, ready for departure, Northwest practice area.
491 Juliet, 1 Post Tower, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff, right turn out approved.
All right, we clear for takeoff, right turn out approved, 17 right, clear for takeoff, 91 Juliet. I don't know what's up with that voice. Is this, if this is blocking you, or, you know, if you want it up, or let it stay, or adjust it, you want it to stay out?
Yeah, keep it up, please.
All right. Here we go. Push the nose down. Airspeed indicator is alive. My instrument's in the green. And we got 55. Pushed forward on the yoke. Yep, just a little. And we want to remain center line. Yeah, if that's in your way or anything like that, you can just move it out of your way, you know, so. There you go, you can move that around, make yourself comfortable, man.
Thank you, sir.
Clear my right wing, we'll start our right turn out.
Sarai says make sure the door's locked.
I don't even know what it looks like.
91 Juliet, to departure.
Oh, to departure, 91 Juliet.
There's no connection.
Oh. That's okay.
Oak City departure, Skyhawk 4891 Juliet, 2000 climbing 3,500 to the Northwest practice area.
491 Juliet, Oak City departure for contact, I'm on course.
Climbing on course, 901 Juliet. It's blowing right into your this thing right here. It's blowing right into your mic, so it's kind of, yeah, there you go. I usually just put it on your chest or your forehead or whatever, wherever you can to keep it away from blowing into your mic.
How's that?
That's good. All right, so we're at 2,400 and we're climbing. So you can hold the controls if you want. I'll let you climb it out. I have the airplane fully configured for you. So what we'll try to do, if you can look over and try to hold 80, you can hold 80 knots. We use knots instead of miles per hour on airplanes. For all the people out there that want to convert knots over to miles per hour, just multiply 1.15 and you'll get that answer. So.
FedEx 347 Heavy contact Kansas City Center 127.8. 27.8 FedEx 347 Heavy. Good day.
But if you see your nose is just coming up and up and up, just kind of like relax the nose down a little bit, because you don't want if you're coming up and up, then your airplane is getting slow, and yeah, you don't want to get too slow. You'll get too slow, and then the wings will stall and stuff like that. So what we'll usually do is we'll put the nose on the horizon, or as much as we can. So if you see that you're getting above the horizon, just kind of gently push the nose forward. So you're doing pretty good now, man. You're climbing 800 feet per minute.
How do I push the nose down?
Just push it forward. There you go. If you want to, adjust the nose, this is what you use to push the nose forward. Push the nose forward. If you want to climb up or if you want to turn, this is what we use. This is called a yoke. So right now we're at 3,500, so I'll go ahead and level off here. So you can, usually when we fly, we'll fly, but my instructor taught me to fly with like, my instructor taught me to fly with just like 2 fingers so that you don't over control the airplane. So 2 fingers alone will about 2 or 3 will get the job done. Where you just go ahead and make like a right turn. But we'll usually use is our aircraft instruments and stuff like that to help us out. So you can go ahead and just start your turn. There you go, nice job. Maintaining altitude, nice. Give it another right. Oh, not too much. There you go.
Welcome to the approach number 3946, Mike checking with you, level 10,000. I have India. 3946, Mike.
You know what? Let's let me go out a little bit further.
Expect the visual 17 right, 3946, Mike.
That's Wally Post right there. That's
City approach Comanche 7115, contact with you at 5,500.
7115, Papa City approach, speed direct Sundance, descend policy direction.
Thank you, 15 Papa.
Approach, that's at 345, 13,700, 10,000.
I'm going to descend.
345, City approach, speed descend policy direction, maintain 4,000, and any runways available, 1120 at Connor.
Okay, our discretion down to 4,000, and we'll let your aircraft have some map, please.
All right, there you go. You can take controls now.
We'll proceed direction.
So here, you see that,
Hang in there.
you see that little, like, lake or whatever over there? Yeah? You can go ahead and turn directly for that. I'll keep my eye out for traffic. Climb up. Airplane descending a little. And you can turn this thing, man. That's a full turn right there. See that?
Yep. Sending it to Sarai.
Oh, okay.
Telling her you're anxious.
I love you.
What is wrong with you?
Feel the sun in your eye? That might help out some. There we go. Give me another right turn. Let me get another right turn here. And what you want to see here, you see this little diamond? You want that diamond to be on this big block right here, this long line right there. That's a 30-degree turn. For VFR pilots, we'll usually turn at a 30-degree bank. Yeah, I'll turn away from the sun for you. There you go, that's better. Yeah, we're at 3,500. Pretty good. So this is our GPS system right here. This will show us, like, you know, how far we are from the airport and stuff behind us. 13 minutes. It'll give us our speed and stuff like that. Give us our ground speed. So right now you're flying at 110 knots. So that's about, say about 125 miles per hour. So I'll let you do a descent here. I'll pull the power back and I'll let you do a descent.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you see this road right here?
Yes.
You see this line here and this road here? Try to keep yourself like right in the middle of that.
Between this road and this road?
This road, this one, like to your right, well, to your right here, and then